Here we're asked to solve for x by factoring and using the zero product property. So in this one here, this is a difference of cubes. Difference of cubes means that I am going to have this equation that breaks this up or factors this into something that looks a little bit different here. So ends up being, 2x plus 4. So difference of cubes is a formula that helps us break up when we have two perfect cubes that are being subtracted. It breaks up like this, and we're solving for x, so there's going to be two solutions from this right side and one solution from the left side here. My first solution is x equals 2. My second solution is I'm setting this equal to 0. And it doesn't factor, so I have to use the quadratic formula. So x equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. So simplifying this becomes 4 minus 16, which is negative 12 in there. The square root of a negative is always going to give me I on the outside, right? I'm taking this negative out and it becomes I. Then I know that the square root of 12 simplifies more, so negative 2 plus or minus, I guess I'll pull the 2 out in front, so plus or minus 2i root 3 over 2, and then my last step, which always gets everybody because simplifying stuff is tough, all of these numbers here are divisible by 2, so final answer here, negative 1 plus or minus I root 3. So three solutions, x equals 2, negative 1 plus I root 3, and negative 1 minus I root 3. Three solutions because I have x to the power of 3. Second one here, looks like I got to pull out an x in the first place, and then I have 16x to the power of 4. I should change colors here. I have x times 16x to the power of 4 minus 1 equals 0. This is a difference of squares, so I got 4x squared plus 1, 4x squared minus 1. This is another difference of squares, so I got 4x squared plus 1 times 2x plus 1, 2x minus 1. And now, since I've factored it as much as I can, I'm going to solve each of these pieces here. So first solution, x equals 0. Then 4x squared plus 1 equals 0. Square root both sides and get square root of negative. Oh man, I need more room on this. Sorry, blue. Take the square root of both sides here, and I get x equals square root of negative 1 over the square root of 4, which I'm going to have I in my answer because of the negative. So x equals plus or minus 1/2 I. Then this one, I'll go ahead and change colors again. 2x plus 1 equals 0. X is equal to negative 1/2. And the last one, 2x minus 1 equals 0. Add 1, divide by 2. All right, so my answers here are a little bit scattered. I will circle them all in purple here. So x equals 0. Sorry, circling in black. X equals positive 1/2 I, negative 1/2 I, negative 1/2, and positive 1/2. So 5 solutions because my degree here is 5.